Hi friends, myself Manoj. Welcome to my YouTube blog Food Lover. Today we have came to one of the famous restaurants in Doha. It's Al Rifa restaurant, Al Rifa Turkey restaurant. And now we are going inside to enjoy the Arabic food over here. I will tell you the different kinds of delicious foods available here. So be with me, watch the video till the end. I'm just signing off. Bye bye.
So friends, today we have came to Rifa Al Turki restaurant. This is one of the famous restaurants for Arabic food. This is the entrance of this restaurant. Due to COVID, dining in is not available right now. So we have came here, we will just take the parcel delivery. Takeaway is available, so we'll just take the parcel. This is the entrance, as you can see. Cool drinks have been placed over there, you can see it. And this is the specialty, the food, the images which are being kept on the display. It is actually the real images of the food what they prepare. It's not downloaded from Google or anywhere. These are the food items which they prepare and they take the snap and put it on the display. That's what they do. And the rate and everything has been displayed over there. This is the takeaway counter. Here you can see with the rate the images has been displayed, so easily a non-Arabic guy like us who don't know much about the Arabic food, they can just see the images and place the order right away. So it's pretty convenient also. You can see the images and you can directly place the order. And this is Mr. Garib, the owner of this restaurant. And here he is showing us some of the famous Arabic dishes. These are the curries which are being served along with the rice. And this dish is similar to our Indian dal called as shorba. We can have this shorba with rice. And these are the different curries. Here you can see the veg mix of veg curries there, and this is the famous biryani rice. So these are the lunch items, means if you want to have lunch you can have these items. Biryani is also there. So these are the items which we can have for the lunch. These are the parcel items which we bought just now. You can see this French fry, then chicken kebabs, mutton kebab along with the Arabic bread. This is made up of egg. This butter, cheese, garlic bread, chicken barbecue. So there is a small gathering for which we have bought these items. And this is made up of fenugreek. Its taste is very nice. So these are all the items. This is the stuff. This is stuffing of chicken. The same items we have ordered much, so that each and everyone can enjoy. And this is the famous Arabic dishes which I have told you in my previous videos, which adds to the taste of these dishes. So the office party begins here. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all.